Hi, my name is Brandy Gueary. I am from Houston, Texas, and I'm a fashion, beauty, teacher, kind of catch-all content creator. I've been kind of in this game for about 6 years and with LTK for most of that. The hardest thing to shop for, I would say, for women of color is foundation. Makeup in general, I think is a challenge, but just because people just come in so many different shades and ranges. But just now in the market in the last few years, brands have started to expand into deeper skin tones and making sure that everyone can come to one brand and actually get what they need there. Testing foundation, it takes some time because it's not, one swipe and you just put it on and it's done. You have to put it on and figure out your undertone. Are you cool or are you warm? I try to do it on days where I'm not doing much so that if it starts to look weird, I'm not, shooting or, doing anything. There is nothing I love more, just personally, more than a great recommendation. I have a really great friend. Her name's Megan. She's a part of the Influencing and Color group. And she finds the best restaurants, cute places, every city that we go to. And it feels like a weight lifted when I'm traveling with her because I can go and she's going to already say, oh, we're going to eat here. We're going to go to this place. And so I love the way that feels, and other people probably feel that way when they can go to the app, shop my recommendations, because it's like you already know it's good. You don't have to worry if it's like a low quality, fabric, or just kind of get a heads up on like, hey, size up or size down, or the fabric is itchy if you have sensitive skin. There's so many things to just look out for and to provide relief to somebody like the way I like it to feel when I'm traveling. I'm excited and thankful to be a part of this, number one, as a person of color, to be represented, for a company that has always supported me in my career. But I love that LTK is always thinking about the business of the woman or the business of the content creators, because you're really on your own in this creative industry. It's growing, but to have true support, and a brand that can help you grow your business and answer every question you have about the platform, there's always somebody you can reach out to. And so just knowing the background of my experience with LTK, I'm excited to be a part of something with a brand, with a company that I also feel supported using and just from in general. LTK, style you can trust.